Hey everybody, it's your girl JaleaNicole, and this video here is dedicated to my girls who just like to keep it simple. Keep it simple, sis. Kiss. You know what I'm saying? Just a quick little 15-minute radiant glow. No, I don't necessarily show you the foundation or how I put my foundation on, because it's just a nice soft foundation that has a radiant finish, and it's the Avon True Color. Last week I did my review on it, so if you want to see how I feel about it, please check the cards and the description box. So if you want to see how I got my quick little soft radiantly me look, please stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Just thought about it. Wanted to show you guys how I get my soft, simple glow. Like, this is just a quick little tidbit. Of course, I picked a very radiant satin finish of a foundation, and I'll talk about that foundation in another video. But what I use to do a bronzing effect is actually my contour palette, and I use a fluffier brush to get into the hollows. So up in here, and because my hair is pulled back, I do kind of contour the forehead and bring it down some and sweep in there just like that. And on top, e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to take the highlighter from here very gently, softly, just a smidget in this area. That's it. And then I'm going to take it, sweep there, sweep there, there, and all I'd have to do now is do my brows. Yep, just do my brows and my lips, because I can get away with just a little bit of mascara. I'll come back with, after I do the brows, I'll come back after the brows. Now, just to add some definition to the eyes, I'm going to take that same palette, the same contour palette, pick up, it doesn't matter which one. I've mixed between the two, so I'm not about to specify, just pick one. Get into that crease, and already, can you see the difference? I know I can. Boom. And now, just find yourself one of your favorite palettes or whatnot. Oops. And just find a very soft matte color. And I am going to take my C'est La Vie 12 Natural Instinct, and I'm going to use this soft taupey brown, and I'm just going to put that on my lid. Yep, that's all I needed right there. And it just gives it a nice muted look. Very natural. I'm gonna take that blending, sweep over it a little bit, bloop, as Nene Leak say, bloop. Now I'm going to take a small little brush, and I'm going to add the last little finishing touch. I'm going to take that highlighter again, and I'm going to inner corner highlight to bring just a hint of sun to this part of my face. And that's it. And I'm going to use my favorite mascara, my Mary Kay Lash Love Lengthening Mascara. I'm actually running out. I believe I only got one tube left, so I may have to re-up soon. Anybody got it for the low? Let me know though. Just in case y'all ain't know, in my past life I was a rapper. Okay, I'm joking. Let me get out of my wishes, hopes, and dreams. Definitely just that last bit that I needed to finish my look. And I just put it on until I feel comfortable. Sometimes 3, sometimes 4 passes. I do what I want. Whatever. The InHer. So when it comes to the lips, I just like to put on something soft. I'm actually going to use this Ravishing Rose by e.l.f. I've really been loving their lipsticks because they are very moisturizing and the pigment. For like $2 or $3, you can't beat that. Yep, this one or the blushing brown. It's a blushing brown. Blushing brown is my fave right now. I don't know what happened. Found it and I've just been like, it stays in my purse, which is why it's not on my makeup table. It stays in my purse. So yes, this is how I get my daily radiant look. So that's what I'm gonna call it. Radiantly new. All right guys, thank you for staying tuned. I hope you enjoyed yourselves. See you in the next video. Bye.